Are you looking for an EMA strategy so you can use it for day trading? Are you looking for an easy way of getting in and out of the market? Well, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to go and review 2 trades that highlight one of my favorite strategies, the one that I've been using the most out of years I've been trading. So first, what are we looking for? We're going to use 3 different EMAs for this one. We're going to use a 50, the 21, and the 200 EMA. Now, the 200 EMA is your base, and it's one of the more important EMAs. But all we're looking for is extended piece of price action on a macro time frame that is reaching some type of level or area. That could be an area of supply, an area of demand. It doesn't really matter. And all then we're going to do is go onto the lower time frames to look for some type of retracement on the bigger time frame. Now, how is that going to look? First, we're going to see some consolidation. Then we're going to use the EMAs as dynamic support and resistance. Now, once the range is actually broken and it breaks above the EMAs, all we're looking for is a retracement to a 50 and a continuation to the 200. And this is exactly what happened with this trade. As you can see, we have a break of the EMA, a retracement down to the 50 fibs, and then a continuation straight away to fill in that air gap to the 200 EMA. So that was one of the first examples for the start of this week. But we're going to go over another example on GU as well, because GU, once it goes fast. And there are so many great opportunities for this type of trade. So the next one is one that happened 2 weeks ago or maybe a week ago, I can't remember, but it's this one here. So we saw this kind of distribution type of pattern. We broke up a little bit higher and found ourselves in an area of supply. Now, over the day, GU wasn't doing anything. It kept on trying to break the highs. It wasn't breaking the highs. Eventually, what we saw is weakness. It kind of had that rounded type of price action that you see. If you're looking to obviously find a reversal on a buy, you're looking for that rounded type of price action on the buy and then the opposite for a sell. And we had the perfect one for that. So as soon as I started seeing that type of distribution pattern, I knew that we were going to be in for this type of setup. So here you can see we're pushing down, we break the EMAs. All I'm looking for now is the continuation to fill in that air gap with the 200 EMA. So there you go. That's it on the screen. And go in and test this exact system. So what you can do, and I wouldn't call it a system, I'll just call it a technique. All you've got to look for is price that is already extended on one certain direction. That could be just extended on the day. It could be extended on the 4 hour. It doesn't really matter. All we want to see is that it's coming into an area where it's going to find trouble in passing straight away. Then we're going to look for some consolidation, using the EMAs to see that kind of rounded price action, a break under the EMAs or over the EMAs if you're depending on what position you're going for, a retracement to a fib. Now, my personal favorite is the 50 fib. You can use a different one. And then a continuation to that 200 base EMA. And that's it. It is super, super simple. Go in, put in the reps, and I promise you, once you start seeing it, they're just easy trades, like money on the floor. Go into the comments, let me know if you have tried it out and if you've seen some success. Also, you can always send me an email. I love to speak to new traders. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.